Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created setting model and simple form UI. Now we need to make it looking good. So we will refine this according to our requirements. Okay, there is no drop down, so we don't need dates and this drop down and the category and option. We just need this field. So remove the whole row and remove the whole row this. Okay, here what we will do, we will remove these labels, this information too. Just copy this and paste it here, this div with this div. Refresh, and here how it's look alike. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to replicate these rows. So this is 2, 3 and 4 and remove this one. Refresh, and here how it's look alike. Okay, now start tagging the placeholder. So this is the front end logo. Back end logo. Page title. Page description. Feature image. Email and page count. Now refresh, and here how it's look alike. We don't need a cancel button, we have only the save button. Okay, so remove the cancel button, save, settings. So this is the form layout which we have. Okay, now what we need to do, the page count should be type of numeric. So we will going to create it numeric by simply change its type from text to number and use the model value. So here is the model, block page count, ID this. Now refresh, and here you can see we have simply this. Okay, we can add validation here in the upcoming videos. It will remain same. 1, 2 and 3 we need to make it image selectable, so we can click here to select the image to upload into the application. It will remain same, but we will make it text area, and it will be the text input only. So in the next video we are going to make these appropriate input sections. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.